Fear is soft and smooth. Here is a short moral story of a little girl, Marina, who was extremely afraid of the dark. Dear listeners, everyone has some fears, and there is nothing to be ashamed of. We make ourselves and our family proud when we overcome such fears. Fear is a natural emotion and reaction to uncertain and unknown pain or pleasure. The secret of success is learning how to overcome such fears. If you do that, you can control your life. If you don't, then life controls you. If you try, you can get over your fears. Here, in this story also, a little girl, Marina, was extremely afraid of dark. And let us see how she overcame from this fear. As you know that Marina was extremely afraid of the dark. When the lights went out, everything and every shadow appeared to her as the most terrible of the monsters. Her parents explained to her every day and with great patience that these things were not monsters. Even her teacher explained to her that there are no monsters exist. Marina understood her parents and teacher, but still she could not stop feeling an awful fear whenever it was dark. One day, her aunt Valerie came to visit. Valerie was an incredible woman. She was famous for her courage and for having gone on many journeys of adventure, and some of which had been made into books and movies. Marina actually wanted to conquer her fear of the dark. So she asked her aunt how she became so brave and whether she had ever been frightened. A great many times, Marina answered her aunt. I remember when I was small, I was terribly afraid of the dark. I could not stay in the dark even for a single moment. Now, Marina became very excited to listen this. How was it possible that someone so courageous could have been afraid of the dark? I will tell you a secret, Marina, since you are my lovely child. The secret is to change your eyes. Since the blind children cannot see, their hands are their eyes. All you have to do to conquer your fear is what they do. Shut your eyes of your face and open the eyes of your hands. Let's make a deal, Marina. Tonight, when you go to bed and put out the light, if anything that makes you afraid, close your eyes carefully and get out of the bed and try to see what it is that's making you scared. But do it with your hands as eyes. And tomorrow, tell me how you are getting on with the fear. Marina was still afraid, thinking, how will I do it? As she was really scared of the dark. But she made a promise with her aunt that she will follow her advice. Marina accepted, but she was rather worried. She knew she would need to be so brave to close her eyes and go and touch whatever it was that was frightening her. But she was willing to try because she was already too old for this. When her parents took her to the bed, she herself put out the light. When her parents took her to bed, she herself put out the light. After a little while, she felt afraid of one of the shadows in the bedroom. Following the advice of the Aunt Valerie, she closed the eyes of her face and opened the eyes of her hands. And summoning up all her courage, she went over to touch the mysterious shadow. The next morning, Marina came into the kitchen with a big smile on her face and a song on her lips. The monster was so soft and smooth. She cried, "It was my teddy bear." Moral of the story is, God and fear cannot live in one place. So don't fear, dear children. Life is either a daring adventure or nothing. You should not fear from anything. The knowledge of your surroundings can keep you away from fear. Fear will stop you from venturing out into new fields. Fear makes you lose all the sense of reasoning and you will start behaving in an unreasonable manner. You should understand the difference between the good fears and the bad fears. Fear is for something that is good is called your good fear. But suppose you want to play in exam time and you fear that your mother will scold you by seeing so. In this condition, you don't play because of the fear from your mother's scold. This type of the fear is good for you and for your future. Fearing from darkness, water and snake are bad fears. The value for the day is fear nothing. I hope you like the story of little girl Marina. Do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned with me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.